Hey guys, have you been wondering where my mini giveaway is? I'm giving all my stuff. I've actually two for them. Just to show them together. Here's these two, these cute butterflies. Next is this thing, it's actually a butterfly too. Doesn't come without. So there's just more pages if I can put just can put it on and you'll look ugly. You'll never wear on you. You can look these red glass with this big hole. You know the glasses are. Next is these hardly hairbands. And then these are the cute. And I have to put them in. The next thing is Martin! Wheelchair mustache. This is just flower. This is my favorite. It has anything in this. So next is how about this? This thing is the and they have these two ribbons that are interesting one that I showed you. This is a thing, this thing, and this thing. So we are on six. Next is hard things and these are actually my favorite. My favorite like this is this oh so the first thing each comes with all of them different colors and more than but here are these colors and show you this and the real thing with the next one is this my bracelet. That's my favorite color. It's for you guys. So that is the mini giveaway that I give away this to Justin. Ho ho ho! So that is the thing. So hoping there's mini giveaway that I did. And comment down below if you want these things. And thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye. Follow me on Twitter. Nothing with this string. Now, this is the code or whatever you call it. Nothing with this string. So bye.